Something that I use a lot is this book is like the Bible of flavors because it's like something that helps me to understand ingredients. That helps me to like I don't know. I want to make chicken, and I check in this Bible of flavors like what is the chicken good with, and like which other ingredients I can mix with, and it's gonna be like something amazing. And sometimes I just check that to see like weird ingredients that I never thought about like mixing chicken with. And sometimes I'm like, oh, mind blowing because it's like, oh, I never thought these two ingredients combined are gonna make like something this special.